Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might just revolutionize your daily diet, the incredible benefits of eating tomatoes every day. Before you dismiss them as just a salad ingredient, stick around to discover the numerous health advantages these red wonders offer. Okay, let's start by talking about why tomatoes are often called nutrient powerhouses. There are many nutrients that your body needs in order to work at its best. When we talk about nutrients, we're not just talking about a few. First up, tomatoes are a fantastic source of vitamin A. This essential vitamin is crucial for maintaining healthy vision, supporting your immune system, and promoting skin health. It's like giving your body a daily dose of superhero vision goggles and an immune system shield. Next on the list is vitamin C. You've probably heard about it in the context of oranges, but tomatoes are a surprisingly excellent source as well. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage, boosts collagen production for healthy skin, and supports your immune system. Forget the orange, maybe it's time to say, a tomato a day keeps the doctor away. Now let's talk about vitamin K. Found abundantly in tomatoes, vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. It ensures that your blood clots properly and that your bones stay strong and healthy. So, not only are tomatoes great for your taste buds, but they're also helping you stay resilient from the inside out. Also, potassium is a nutrient that doesn't always get the attention it should. Tomatoes are full of potassium, which is an important mineral for keeping your blood pressure in check, keeping your body's fluids in balance, and making sure your muscles and nerves work right. Behind the scenes, it's like a quiet hero keeping everything in check. Last but not least, let's talk about folate. This B vitamin is important for making DNA and dividing cells. It is especially important for pregnant women because their bodies grow quickly during this time. To sum up, tomatoes are good for you, whether you want to start a family or just support your body's normal processes. Now that we've covered the nutrient side of tomatoes, let's talk about another incredible aspect, their antioxidant richness. Antioxidants are like the defenders of your body, protecting it from the harmful effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to various diseases. At the forefront of this antioxidant arsenal is a compound called lycopene. Lycopene is what gives tomatoes their vibrant red color, and it's a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. Numerous studies have shown that lycopene may play a role in reducing the risk of certain cancers, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. But that's not all lycopene can do for you. It's kind of like skin sunscreen that comes from plants. Adding lycopene-rich foods like tomatoes to your diet can help protect you from harmful UV rays, but it's not a solution for sunscreen. This could lower your risk of sunburn and early aging. A word of caution, while tomatoes offer a multitude of health benefits, they may not be suitable for everyone. If you have a specific health condition or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant dietary changes. Here are some fun and fascinating facts about tomatoes. While commonly used as a vegetable in savory dishes, tomatoes are botanically classified as fruits because they develop from the ovary of a flower and contain seeds. In fact, they are berries. Tomatoes originated in western South America and were first cultivated by the Aztecs and Incas. They made their way to Europe in the 16th century and gradually became a staple in various cuisines. In some cultures, tomatoes are considered a symbol of love and affection. In Italy, it's a tradition to gift tomatoes as a token of love, especially during the summer when they are at their ripest and most flavorful. The first documented recipe for tomato sauce appeared in a cookbook in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. Before that, tomatoes were often thought to be poisonous in Europe, which hindered their culinary popularity. Believe it or not, tomatoes have been grown in space. In 2015, astronauts aboard the International Space Station successfully grew and ate red romaine lettuce and zinnias, paving the way for future space gardening experiments that may include tomatoes. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. It's important to keep your heart healthy, and tomatoes can help with that. To lower the risk of heart disease, the potassium in tomatoes helps keep blood pressure in check. In addition, the fiber helps keep cholesterol levels healthy. From tomato-based sauces to heart-boosting salads, there are countless delicious ways to incorporate tomatoes into heart-healthy recipes. If you're on a journey to manage your weight, tomatoes can be your ally. They are low in calories but high in fiber, keeping you full and satisfied. This makes them a great addition to any weight loss or weight management plan. Before we sign off, I'd love to hear about your experiences with tomatoes. Have you already incorporated them into your daily meals, or are you planning to start? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Until next time, stay healthy and live life. Bye, everyone.